This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the first phase of a UAE-funded aid campaign to help displaced Syrians over in Lebanon for the winter of 2017 has been launched in the country's southern city of Sidon. Supervised by the Humanitarian and Development Attaché Office at the UAE Embassy over in Beirut, the campaign, titled UAE Response to Displaced Syrians in Lebanon Winter 2017, coincides with the UAE President, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan's recent declaration that the year 2017 will be the year of giving. The current campaign, which will help more than 150,750 people in 35 distribution centres, that's across all Lebanese regions, is funded by UAE donors, including the Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan Foundation, the Mohammed bin Rashid Charity and Humanitarian Establishment, the Emirates Red Crescent, the Rahmah Charity and Etihad Airways, among others. The Relief and Humanitarian Aid Organisation of Lebanon's Dar al-Fatwa and Al-Musat Social Relief and Welfare Association will deliver the winter aid to the beneficiaries. The aid, donated by the Rahmah charity, was delivered over the weekend to a centre for displaced Syrians, located in the Sharjah area in Sidon. Officials stated that what is important is that aid should reach the most underprivileged displaced Syrians in Lebanon, and that they take a keen interest in providing basic needs during the current harsh weather conditions. Over 1.1 million patients visited the Dubai Health Authority's hospitals and medical centres in 2016, that's according to a senior official. Dr. Ahmad bin Kalban, the CEO of the hospital services sector at the DHA, said in a statement that Dubai and Rashid hospitals had the highest number of visits in 2016, with just over 382,000 and nearly 325,600 patients, respectively. He added that Latifa Hospital received just over 161,000 patients, while Hatta Hospital received just over 124,000. The Dubai Diabetes Centre received just over 44,000 patients. The Dubai Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Centre welcomed 42,350 patients. The Thalassemia Centre recorded nearly 8,000 patients, while the Airport Medical Clinic saw nearly 34,000. Meanwhile, the Dubai Gynecology and Fertility Centre received just over 14,000 patients. Bin Kalban said that out of the 1.1 million visits in 2016, nearly 646,000 were outpatient, nearly 407,500 were ER and walk-in visits, and just over 81,600 were admission visits. Research published in the Middle East Journal of Positive Psychology has revealed that exercise should be the first line of defense in the fight against depression. That's off the back of feel-good chemicals that are released in the brain. The announcement comes as experts reveal that around 5% of the UAE's population are believed to have some form of depression. Dr. Zahoor Khan, a family medicine consultant at King's College Hospital London Medical and Surgical Centre in Abu Dhabi, was quoted in a local daily saying that brain chemicals dopamine and serotonin released during exercise can benefit those with depression. He added that medication is commonly offered to those with depression that replicates those chemicals. But on the downside, they can be addictive. They can cause weight gain and also panic attacks. He added that treatment plans also come with a price, and many mental health problems are not covered by insurance plans in the country. He also noted that activity rates have declined in the GCC region and vary between 9 to 42% for men and 26 to 28% for women. Officials stated that exercise is proven to help those with depression, as it is effective and it also helps with weight loss. And they also added that drugs should only be a last resort. The Road and Transport Authority has adopted 64 innovative ideas, focusing on improving customer happiness and also increasing passenger numbers on the Dubai Metro and Tram as a part of its long-term plans. The RTA's rail agency recently held an innovation lab where participants debated an array of concepts and came up with 25 innovative ideas about customer happiness, 14 ideas about increasing Dubai metro and tram ridership, 14 ideas for the implementation in the long run, and 11 innovative ideas classified as moderate. Officials stated that they met to come up with the best solutions for customer happiness and offer creative services capable of attracting additional riders to public transport. As a part of arrangements for the lab, the RTA rolled out a campaign via social media, which generated 1,379 public responses. The campaign also included holding an interactive discussion panel with the public on November the 15th last year. That was also via social media. Situated at the Dubai Tram Depot at Al Sufu, the RTA's Innovation Lab is the first government lab in Dubai. It comprises of training halls, areas for brainstorming sessions, an innovation club, a platform to present and debate ideas, and interactive display monitors. The Sharjah Police settled 345.8 million dirhams worth of financial disputes in 2016. That was through a reconciliation initiative for customer service without having to refer cases to court. Lieutenant Colonel Yusuf Hamel, the acting director of the Comprehensive Police Stations Department, stated that the resolution of financial disputes in an amicable manner contributes to social stability. He added that the initiative was in line with the strategic objective of the Ministry of Interior that calls to enhance customer confidence in public services. He explained that the initiative allowed people involved in financial disputes, including cases of bounced checks, to settle the issues out of court. Those who issued such checks were permitted to pay the amount at police stations. And finally, looking to other news now, all set to enter the exciting realm of entrepreneurship. Over 100 students from across the Emirates attended a children's entrepreneur workshop this morning. Located in Dubai's Jumeirah Village Triangle, the Arcadia Preparatory School teamed up with UK-based ideas company 7 Billion Ideas in order to teach young children the basics of entrepreneurship. Students, parents and educationalists across several nationalities took part in the highly informative Entrepreneurs Workshop that was spearheaded by David Harkin, the CEO of 7 Billion Ideas. The workshop saw the participation of children aged between 3 to 11 years old and conducted various activities such as the idea jam session, drawing, colouring and craft sessions, all designed to develop teamwork, presentation skills, public speaking and listening skills in order to foster idea generation and development. The workshop saw ideas such as a pocket swimming pool and mango ice cream bread to a mushroom book stand. Rabia Attaya, the CEO of job portal Bait.com, spoke at the opening of the event and said that the UAE has always had a long legacy which encourages young businessmen and women, which also encourage the students to dream big. According to the organisers, the programme is aimed at preparing students for long-term academic excellence and to also motivate them to work towards their career achievements.
I think children are absolutely ready from day dot. Today we're running a workshop with 100 students from the age of 3 up to 11 years old. Children have no inhibitions, no boundaries to their ideas, and they believe that anything is possible. So working with the younger students, they come up with some superb ideas. So they are absolutely prime and ready. We encourage students to think big and to dream big at 7 billion ideas. We believe that there are 7 billion people on the planet and every single person can come up with an idea, whatever age group they are. So when we work with young children, it's all about encouraging them to think big and dream big and believe that anything is possible. So for today, for example, we are challenging the students to come up with an idea which could change the world. It could be a sport idea, it could be technology, it could be politics, fashion. It doesn't matter as long as it has a positive impact on the planet, then it counts today. So we want them to think big and to dream big.
Well, it's really to allow children as young as 3 to start thinking about not only about ideas, but taking those ideas to reality. And that's in the form of building models, looking at 3D printing, and really taking this allowing every child to believe that he or she can become an entrepreneur if he or she chooses. We've had unprecedented interest in this workshop. In fact, we're fully booked. And we had to close registrations, and the interest has been phenomenal, and that really is a testament to the city of Dubai and the program itself.